Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out each open tab's RAM uses in Chrome web browser for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Mac or Linux operating system, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly just open the Chrome web browser and just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner and just select this help and just click on this about Google Chrome and check for if there is any newer updates. So right now you can see the latest version that I'm using is 119.0.6045.124. so this is the latest version. So if you get the newer version than this also, then kindly update to the latest version. Then after that, just open any website. Say I've opened a Google website, right? So now in order to check this tab's RAM uses, what you need to do is just place your mouse cursor on the open tab, and now you can see here memory uses. So let me show you again. So you can see memory uses. So this is how you can find out each open tab's RAM uses in Chrome web browser for Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.